Hello my crafty friends, this is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'm here to make one of the fastest birthday cards ever. It's late and I really need to make one because I forgot to do it earlier, and I'm tired and I can't think of all these different things that I could do, so I pulled a couple of sets and I'm just going to go for it. So ink pads, I'm using Smoky Slate and Berry Burst. I have my snail. I have the stamp sets called Big Wishes and Birthday Backgrounds. I'm going to use an image of each one of those and I'll set those aside. I have a piece of thick Whisper White measured at 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I have a piece of Berry Burst that measures 5 1/4 by 4. And I have another piece of Whisper White that measures 3 3/4 by 5. And I also have an envelope. So let's see how fast this card will go. So I think we're just going to stamp. I'm going to go ahead and stamp. Berry Burst. And I'm going to go ahead and just ink it up really quickly. Oops. Don't need to make all that noise, but yeah. So, gonna line that up. And then right smack dab in the middle. Press down and up. There you go. Happy birthday with the presents and everything. And then the next thing I'm going to do is the Berry Burst. And I did the Smoky Slate, and I don't know. It seemed like a good idea at the time. So I'm just going to ink this up, and I'm just going to stamp all around. Oh, wow. It has another color in there. That's what happens when you don't clean off your stamps. But I kind of like that. I should have dipped into that side more. At any rate, I'm going to set that aside, and for the envelope, I'm going to go back to the Berry Burst. And I know I should clean it off, but I'm not. I'm going to go ahead and double dip it in. Right in the Berry Burst. And in the corner. I think that's how the Berry Burst got in there before, because I didn't clean it off earlier. And that's pretty much it, my friends. We're going to put it together. And I've lost my bone folder. I don't know what I did with that one. I had a couple of them, but that's okay. We're going to put this down. Just like so. And we'll put this layer down. Just like so. Make sure the opening is the right way. And I know it's upside down for you all because it's upside down for me. The opening is this way. And I don't know about you, but I have tons and tons of old embellishments and things like that I never did finish. So I'm going to use some of these rhinestones and finish them off. Look, I have a few left. I can't get rid of these. So I'm going to put a few of these rhinestones on here. Maybe like that. And then I have some of these embellishments. I can't remember what the name of these are. But you can use whatever embellishments that you do have. And I know this color is like a Berry Burst color as well. So I'm going to put that over on a few of these. I think I should have another one way over here. Seems like I need something up at the top. I'll do that up here. And there you have it, my friends. A fast and quick and easy birthday card. I am not going to put a stamp of sentiment right now. I'm just going to go ahead and write that in for the recipient. And I have my crafty take your pick tool. I always either say take your pick or pick your tool. I'll put the name of it below. But anyway, this is my card for today. Thank you all so much for stopping by. You too can make a really quick card with some just basic stamps, basic stamping, and not too much. Here's the card that I made earlier, like that. There you go. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, like, and subscribe, and leave me a comment below because I would love to hear from you all. I do like reading your comments and everything like that. So thank you all for stopping by. This is Yolanda from CraftySentiments.com, and I'll be back real soon with another video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.